Hello, see me again in my next video. I think guys, in this video I'll show you about how to express your certainty and your uncertainty. As usual, just follow me after my voice, repeat every each of my single word, and just enjoy the video.
First is how to express your certainty. Yes, of course. Yes, certainly. Yes, I'm quite sure they will. And second, for express your uncertainty, you can say, well, it's possible, I suppose. Well, no one can tell for certain. Well, maybe. And the third is to express lack of knowledge. Who knows? I haven't a clue. I must admit, I don't know. This is for the example. Do you think the teleportation will be founded? Who knows? But I'm sure it will.
Okay, I think that's all, and thank you for watching.